guys, back at MaxPSI, cars on a dyno. We did a bunch of hits already. We're almost, so pretty much I made 1,087 before. Someone else came, made more than me, which is not cool. So we're turning it up. We're close to breaking it. Car's at like 1,100 and change. Everybody's wearing their horsepower hats today. This is for when it rains engine parts. God forbid, everyone is prepared so no one gets hurt. I'm ready. I'm about to set this down, make a rip, and go from there. But pretty much, we did new valve springs, some other little things, and turning it up. Uneventful. So I look crazy with no hat. Car's locked sick. So it was not 1150. Was not 1200. Made the best we got so far is 1140 something. So we're getting there. Alright, so we did a bunch of hits. The car is not making enough boost. It makes a lot of boost, but it's not enough to do like 1200. So I don't know if you can look. The past few hits is 1148, 1134, 1130, 1148, 38, 34. Car has a 3-port boost. 3-port Mac valve on it, which allows for a lot of boost, but it doesn't really fight back pressure that good compared to like the factory wastegates. So the factory wastegates will allow you to run as much as you can while fighting back pressure, because 100% duty cycle is locking the gate shut. This 100% duty cycle is you still have exhaust back pressure trying to open the gate because it's not really doing anything. With the 4-port like I'm about to put on, this thing's gonna lock it shut. So you're gonna throw this on and go from there. Alright, so we got a new 4-port in. It's all installed, wired up. We're gonna turn it back up and see how high we can get without breaking it. Hopefully. Alright, so we're all done. As you saw with all the dyno pulls, we like made a bunch of hits, bunch of little things, turn it up slowly. Because with the new wastegate, we gotta like start lowering the duty cycle because it's not directly transferable. 100% on one is like, based on this, about 50-ish on the 4-port. So now we got this thing done. So the record was a few horsepower higher. We were like, we'll just turn up a little bit more. So good luck to the next guy. You're at 1,058 wheel horsepower jamming. I mean, we did like at least 10, 15 of 1030, 1025, just trying to get the boost up. Took the screen off the turbo, try a few things, ignore that jumper wire thing. We got some things we gotta work on, so, that's that. Car fucking jams, starts up, drives normal, makes 1160 wheel horsepower. What's better? So, I gotta go to the track now. The quest is on, so pretty much it. Mike, MaximumPSI, help me out, valve springs, some little cam thing to make me have a little more valve lift, which I don't really think had a big difference, to be honest. Maybe if my head was ported or something like that, we'd see other gains. But that's it, car jams. On to the next one. Also, go subscribe, hit the fucking like button. Hit subscribe. I will make more videos. I will be doing reckless things in this car. I'm gonna run to the quarter mile, see what we can do.